In this video, you will learn how you can choose the right template in Canva. For this, after logging in, you will select on templates, and in this you can select on social media if you want to create any template for YouTube, Facebook, Insta and other things. So we will select social media, and in social media you have seen there you can create YouTube thumbnail, Instagram reel, Facebook post, Instagram post, and same like here TikTok video, YouTube banners, Twitter post, Pinterest link, background, YouTube shorts. And here we can select from first one, so we can go back and we will select YouTube thumbnail. In this way you can select the template for your Canva. Thanks for watching.